almost like every Sunday. Yeah. And sometimes when I come back to church, I'm kind of tired, exhausted, and I almost do it. Yeah. Like if you watch my video in the morning, when I was going out, I told you guys I take pictures in the church. So you are now my family. We are family. We are one family. We are now one. So I take pictures in church. So I every Sunday when I come back home, sometimes like today, I want to rest. Like I want to just lay my head and rest a little bit. But time is going. There's something that I need to do urgently. So, by the way, this is my camera strap. Beautiful. G camera strap. This is my flash, camera flash. And this is my camera, my baby. So, why do I do every Sunday? Every Sunday after service, anytime I close from church, I come back home, take this pictures from this camera, and then put in my phone and send it to the church. That's what I do like almost every Sunday. So now like today, I just feel like I should be sleeping. Yeah, I just feel like I should be sleeping. Just find somewhere, lie down, then rest before I wake up. But I have to do this before I have to do this before I do anything else. So I have to transfer those pictures to my phone, and every Sunday that is what I do because it's very important. All right, and as a photographer, at times when you snap people, they always say, "Send me my pictures." Now everybody in church is waiting for my pictures, so I have to arrange those pictures and send to them. Like that is what I do every Sunday after service. Sometimes when I come back, I'll have to rush and eat so that at least I'll have strength to do what I'm supposed to do. Or sometimes I just say, let me just um, try and send it fast, so that I will have a rest of mind. So it's not easy. It's not easy. At times you feel so stressed. Like now, if you look at me, I'm looking like as if I'm stressed. It's part of it because I need to take some time and rest before I would do anything. And I still have a lot of my clothes. When I wanted to go to church, I was looking for this shirt to wear. So when I was looking for it, I searched for it, I couldn't find it. So I have to scatter my bag. And now it's time for me to rearrange it back. But you know what? I'm feeling lazy. I don't even have the strength to do that. I don't know whether I'm going to do it today, but all the same, I'll try my best. So, because when you rest is very important when you rest. If you take some time to rest, like me now, I need rest. So I'll just try and copy those pictures and then edit them and then send to WhatsApp, church WhatsApp group. Then I'll be able to rest my head down before doing anything. Thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. I really appreciate everybody that is always coming here to watch my videos. Sometimes it'd be nice if you come, you watch and you comment and you like. That is very important. Don't just watch and enjoy it. Yeah. And I'm trying to get to know my audience. Yeah. Talking to them, just with them. And sometimes when I'm talking to you, you can write something down to tell me how you feel or what is your take about what I'm saying. It's very important. I'm trying to connect to my community. You people are my community. You are my family. Everybody on this platform, on this channel, is my family. So that's why we call it Benue family. So I'm happy to have you guys here. I really appreciate you for always joining my live broadcast. I know you're watching me there, you don't want to say anything, but it would be nice if you just comment. Say something. Let me answer you. At least talk to me. So you see, these are the pictures, yeah? I'm going to send them to my phone, then from there, I will copy them, I will edit them, then send it to the church WhatsApp group. So this is what I do like almost every Sunday. I go to church, take pictures in church, come back, edit them, and send it back to the church. That's what I do. Although it's not easy, yeah, because it's something that has to do with a lot of patience, yeah. If you don't have patience, you just say, okay, let me just sleep, and before you do it. Now I'm feeling sleepy, but I still have to do this. Still have to select those pictures so that I will be able to send. And now this is my advice for anybody. If you're not ready to edit pictures here, please don't snap plenty pictures. At times when you snap plenty pictures, when it comes to editing, we get tired. We don't feel like, why am I even wasting my time, self? Do you understand? So that's that. You that you are here watching me, I really appreciate you. Thank you. But sometimes I like when you come, you comment so that we have an interaction. All right? Not just come and go. When you come to the live video, comment. Just touch the like button. Let somebody know that you are there. It's fun, yeah? Because it's what we do. We talk to each other, gist with each other, you know, encourage each other. Yeah. You coming to my YouTube is very, very big to me to see a lot of you coming to my YouTube to watch my videos. It's very big for me. I really, really appreciate anybody. This my body song is funny. Anytime I'm having serious time that I want to sleep, my body will misbehaving anyhow. So what I'll do, I'll just copy those pictures. After when I'm done copying, then I will know what to do. So guys, how was your Sunday like? Just tell me, how did it go? What did you do after Sunday? Normally, on a very good day, what do you do after Sunday? You know, when Sunday has passed, everything has gone. So after Sunday, what did you do? What do you do? Some people, they go out, chill with friends. Some people will do so many things. So you tell me, what do you do after service on Sunday? It's a conversation. You can write something in the comment section. Yeah. So write something in the comment section. How do you spend your Sunday after Sunday? What goes on? What do you normally do? You see, I was telling you, somebody should like this video. If you like my video, man, you'll not die. So it would be nice if you just put your hand there and then like my video. So maybe sometimes I'll just do a video about my room, about my space. You guys will see what I feel. Or sometimes I think, why do I need to have to arrange all those things? Because some time ago it was my wife that was doing all those things for me. But now that we are far away from each other, I have to carry my cross with myself by myself. So guys, how is your Sunday being? Nobody is saying anything. Does it mean that nobody is watching me or what? How is your Sunday going? Say something. Talk to me. Let me know how is your Sunday going. I wanted to do advert for somebody, but I'm kind of exhausted, so I need to rest and gather my strength so that I can be able to give my best. Musicians will come and get the line. I need to rest. Oh, Roy. Cinnamon Roy, how are you? Happy Sunday. Cinnamon, how are you doing? Where are you chatting from? I'm good. Where are you chatting from? Let me know where you're chatting from. Yeah, thank you, Cinnamon, for at least coming up to chat with me. I really appreciate that. You know, if you're watching a live video, it's nice, like, let's get engaged, let's get to know each other, you know. Let me know where you're coming from, where you're watching me from. That is so wonderful. Thank you so much for even writing, commenting. I really appreciate. You know, I don't take those things for granted. I'm good. So where are you watching me from? Cinnamon. Where are you watching me from? Let me know. Where are you watching me from? Let me know. Because, see now, I just I just finished transferring those pictures to my phone, but can't say I don't have strength to edit now. Just need to rest. Talk to you guys. Roll. Roll. Can you just say something? Cinnamon roll. Let's know who are we chatting with. Just comment and say something. Let's know where you're chatting from. You take me just as I am. You choose. Oh God. Ladies, I need that job. Because I need it. Because if I have that job now, it's kind of a stepping stone to me. It's kind of making out progress to me. You know, one thing I don't like folding my clothes, yeah? I have heap of clothes there that I need to fold. And maybe when I sleep, when I wake up, I will have strength. So, let's know where you are chatting from. And the chat is free, or my chat is free, not that you are paying money to chat from my chat. Oh, hi, dot chat. Okay, sure. You want to see my hip clothes? Or I will show you. The kind of clothes I need to sort out before I even do anything. At this point, I'm going to lock my door. Somebody is cooking. The other stuff is entering into my apartment. So guys, look at this. You can send your comment, just comment. This is a heap of clothes I have. Because when I wanted to go to church in the morning, I was looking for something to wear. So I was looking for this particular shirt I'm wearing now. So I couldn't find it, so I have to scatter the whole bag to get the to get the shirt. And it was really, really stressful for me. But thank God I was able to do it. So it's for me to pack all those big clothes, plenty clothes, and then put it there. I'm having serious stress to do that. I was supposed to do that since, but I don't know what happened that I did not do it. But well, it doesn't make sense. Connecting with you guys is very important. Yeah, Mama Teresa, I wish you the best. No, I'm young, I'm super, Mama. Graduation just say younger in yourself. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Eh? You go. Aww. Eh, you watch it. Are you happy seeing me on YouTube? Aww, thank you. Where is my bed? Alright, no problem. Anytime I'm ready to. For that now. Act this one now. Eh, act this one, get you. Alright, the young. Hey, what's on? Yeah. So man. He did now. What do I mean now? Who's what though? Who is secretary? Man, she's at home. Nano Molo Habuja will Lagos. Okay.